Hello and welcome to UpGrad's Offline Learning Center. I am Nachiket Dikshit and we are continuing with machine learning series. अब हमने देखा था दो तरह की लाइब्रेरीज विच आर numpy and pandas. बट इनको समझने के लिए हमें थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जानना जरूरी है कि ये यूज कैसे होते हैं और क्या इसके इस्तेमाल से मैं न्यूमेरिकल चीजें कर सकता हूँ. बिकॉज मैंने कह तो दिया सर आपकी चीजें मान कैसे ले हम, तो मानने के लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा NumPy implementation. So let's start with today's lecture and इसमें हम देखने वाले little bit about a case study and ये case study बहुत मुश्किल वाली नहीं है. एंड जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि लाइफ में कभी ना कभी आपके रिपोर्ट कार्ड जनरेट होते हैं, तो रिपोर्ट कार्ड जो जनरेट होते हैं तो उसमें मैं चाहता हूँ कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फिल्टर आउट्स हो, कि मुझे जानना है कि मेरे स्टूडेंट कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम going with the coding of the implementation of NumPy. Using implementation of NumPy, I'll be coding a little bit about the performance analyzer. तो अब ये जो performance analyzer है इसके लिए मैंने क्वेश्चन जनरेट किया. Now this question is student score analysis and इसको समझने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना, just relax and watch कि अब क्या हम करने वाले. So let's start with our first thing. And मैंने कहा था कि we should start every time we should start with importing of NumPy. So let's import the NumPy. And importing of NumPy works like import NumPy as NP. ठीक है, we'll run this course and yes मैंने install करके रखा था कि NumPy is there and now the NumPy has been imported. So let's go to the question and read the question what it wants us to do. So the problem statement states, says us that you are given marks of the student. So marks of the student is a list and in this list we want to convert it into NumPy array first. So let's go line by line and usi problem statement ka implementation kar. So what we will do, I'll copy this marks like this, your marks list. So I'm copying this. And now I can see print the type of this marks, and you can able to see that this marks is nothing but it's a list. So first we need to convert it into a NumPy array. Convert it into NumPy array. So how to do it? Yes, np.array. So I'm creating a report named as variable. वो जो variable है उसमें मैं save करने वाला हूँ NumPy array को. So I'll go with np.array and I'll give the marks here. ठीक है, so क्या हो गया, जैसे ही मैं ये marks in the NumPy arrays np.array में देता हूँ, it will convert into a NumPy array. So let's check if it is converted into it or not. And what I will do, I'll print the type of now the report. That's it. I'll run this and it is a NumPy array. So I'm not going to include this one because problem statement hasn't asked me. So ये मैं हटा देता हूँ. Now I will print the report itself. So the NumPy array of scores is, so देखो representation is must. So मैं representation अच्छे से रख रहा हूँ so that आप भी उसकी habit डालें. So this is NumPy array of the scores and NumPy of the array of the scores हमें दिख रहे हैं 45, 67, 89, 34, 90, 55 and 72 and this is one dimensional. So हमारा first task has been completed, that is task पहला था हमारा कि list into NumPy array. Then we have to find average marks, maximum marks, minimum marks. So firstly we will find the average marks. So average marks find करने के लिए what we need to use? Yes, we have to use, so I'll print these average marks. So I'll write here average marks and what I will do, I'll use a little bit of string manipulation so that I'll able to represent it correctly and I want to find average marks. So what I will do, I'll print the result, whatever result I'll be storing into the result section. So how to store anything? Yes, you know there is a variable, so I'll create a average underscore marks as a variable and here I want to save the mean of report. So np.mean, there is a mean function in NumPy. मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि भाई जब आपकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की बारी आएगी यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि देयर आर मल्टीपल मेथड्स, मल्टीपल फंक्शंस इन numpy. सो हम क्या करेंगे, इसका मीन निकालेंगे. नाउ आई जस्ट हैव टू गिव द array here, and I have given the array, and I want to print the average marks. So report. So what I will write? Yes. So now you have average marks of the report. Wait. Oh, sorry, average marks. Now I want to print the average marks. So yes, run करते हैं. So we got the average marks, that is approximately 64.57. अगर मुझे इसको राउंड करना है तो yes, you can use the function round and you can round it up. कैसे होगा? So what we need to do, you have to create round function, and in this round function I want to give, देखना है क्या देना होगा, yes, कितने decimal points तक मुझे चाहिए. So I want it for the 2 decimal values, so I'll run this. So currently we have 64.57. That is what we want to do. So average marks, I got it. Next is maximum marks. So how to collect the maximum marks? Simple as that. Maximum marks का मैं यहाँ पे, आप हर बार मुझे नोटिस कर रहे होंगे कि आई एम राइटिंग दी कमेंट, बिकॉज जब भी मैं आपके साथ ये कोड शेयर करूंगा आप आराम से इसे समझ सकते हो. सो मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, एंड नाउ फॉर दैट मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आई विल क्रिएट अ वेरिएबल नेम्ड एज मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स? इज देयर एनी मेथड? यस. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, np.me. इज देयर एनी मेथड? यस. सो अगर मैं देखूंगा np.max इज देयर, आई विल यूज दिस and I have to give the array. So which array? So report is my numpy array. Again, I'll use the same one. So you can copy this one and just paste it here. And क्या करना होगा, average marks की जगह now I need to write maximum marks. And यहाँ पे मुझे change करना पड़ेगा same variable जो मैंने maximum marks के लिए use किया है for saving it. So मैं run करता हूँ. So the maximum marks is 90. Check करना है, verify it. See, 45, 67, 89. Yes, 90 is the highest mark we have in our list. So we have created the maximum marks. Now I need a minimum marks. So let me use this minimum marks. Copy this one and I'll paste it here. So hashtag minimum marks. How to do it? Nothing different. So I'll copy this one. I'll paste it here. Change the marks to the minimum marks, and here we need to fix the function that is minimum, and I want to change the variable of printing. So I am printing it here as np.minimum. So currently we have 34 as the minimum marks. Let's go to next. So we have completed with average marks, maximum marks and minimum marks. Now I want to say find all the students scoring above average mark. So above average marks मतलब I need to filter. But sir आपने तो numpy में filter पढ़ाए नहीं. अरे numpy में filter लगाने का एक तरीका है. So what I will do now, I'll store it here as scores more than average marks. ठीक है, ये मैं यूज करने वाला हूं. अब scores more than average marks मुझे यूज करना है. So I need to filter it out. So I'll present it into a result name variable. So मैं क्या करूंगा, I'll use the filter method. So कैसे filter करते हैं? सबसे पहले you need to give the variable in which we have saved the numpy array. So numpy array is currently stored in the report, and inside a report you have to give the square bracket, and square bracket में मुझे क्या चाहिए, marks above. तो marks above जो भी मेरे average marks थे. So I can use this average marks. Where it is? So this is the average marks. So what we need to do? Again I'll write report here. The marks should be greater than average marks. Now I have to print here the result. The scores above average, here it is, comma, I need to store it into the result section. So I'll store it here in the results and I'll print it. So average marks more than average, we have scored 67, 89, 90 and 72. These are all the marks that are present within the result, and these are all the marks above the average. So I have found the average. Now you understood कि मैं implementation पे ही क्यों बात कर रहा था. So this is the one thing. Next, let's add 5 grace marks to all the students. So I need to add 5 grace marks to all the students. तो सर ये कैसे होगा? Do you remember I said that NumPy has something which is called as vectors. Without loop, it can work. So I don't need to give a single loop to add these 5 marks in each element of numpy array. No, it actually works with the vectorized operation. Let's see the implementation. So currently my report is, जो भी था उसको मुझे change करना है by adding a 5 grace marks. So what I will do, report, and I'll add 5 marks. Now I want to print the finalized report. So finalized report after grace, okay, after grace marks. So I can give here again a report. That's it. Run this query and you will get the finalized answer. तो बोलोगे सर ये मैं कंपेयर कैसे करूं? कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहते हो? So you need to write print यहाँ पे. What I want to write, print before adding 5 marks. ठीक है? Before adding 5 marks. So let me give you this print here, and मैं again report को run करता हूँ. Where is the report? Why I am running it again? Because already 5 marks add हो चुके हैं and मैंने वो store कर दिया reports में. So what I will do, I'll run this again. Now it is already stored as a list जो हमें पहले मिला था. And now here I will write before grace marks. Before grace marks. Let me compare कि actual में ये चल कैसा है. Comma, I need to write here report again. So that's it. I need to run this. So before अगर मैं grace marks देखूंगा तो 45, 67, 89, 34, 90, and after we have added 5 marks. क्या मैंने loop लगाया? नहीं. So students, that's all for today. And यही implementation आप NumPy में आगे भी चल के करोगे, but अब आपको समझ में आया होगा कि NumPy actual में work कैसे करता है. This is a real life example कि आप इसे कैसे implement कर सकते हो. So thank you all for joining and watching today's lecture. I hope you liked it, and please do share, subscribe and like this video. Also put a comments कि मेरा ये जो video है, it should be more with this kind of implementation और मुझे सिर्फ theoretical base बनाना चाहिए. Bye bye.